Assalamu alaikum.
If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like the video and share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Now let's come to today's video. Great Expectations is a novel written by Charles Dickens. Here's a brief summary. Summary. The story follows the life of a young orphan named Pip. He encounters a mysterious benefactor who provides him with financial support, allowing him to pursue a more refined life. As Pip grows up, he becomes infatuated with Estella, the adopted daughter of the wealthy and eccentric Miss Havisham. The novel explores themes of social class, identity, ambition, and the consequences of one's choices. Commentary. Great Expectations is a classic work of literature that delves into the complexities of human nature and society. Dickens skillfully portrays the stark divisions of social class in Victorian England and the impact of one's upbringing on their character. The characters in the novel, particularly Pip, go through significant personal growth and transformation. Dickens critiques the shallowness of social values and the idea that material wealth equates to happiness. Impact. The novel has had a lasting impact on literature and continues to be studied and appreciated for its exploration of societal issues and its vivid characters. It has been adapted into various stage and film productions. Great Expectations remains a relevant and thought-provoking work that addresses timeless themes of human aspiration, moral development, and the consequences of one's choices. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.